and welcome back to my channel. I'm Deni, and today I have my Walmart beauty box. So it's been a while since I've gotten this. I got the message that I was gonna get it like about 2 months ago, and then now it's when it's showing up. So let's just go right on in. We are on box 3 of box week, and so let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so that you can see. It feels really light. Like there's no weight in here, so I'm not really too hopeful, just because sometimes Walmart doesn't do things for you. So you always get a little card thing. It's flimsier than usual, and it says embrace your beauty, and the box also says that message as well. So the first thing that I'm seeing, I'm very disappointed because it's like nothing. It's like little packets of stuff. The first thing that I'm seeing is from Garnier, and it's the Skin Active Soothing Moisturizer. This is a day and night mask, and this is actually one of the products that I did want to try out before like purchasing, because I like night masks. So I'm feeling this packet. It has quite a bit in here. It feels like it's a gel in here, so I probably could get like 1 or 2 uses, probably even 3 out of this. I'm excited to try this out, but again, this is like foil packet. Come on, what are we doing here? The next thing is yet another foil packet. This one is the Garnier Fructis Damage Repair 1 Minute Hair Mask, and it's in papaya extract. I'm always disappointed with the size of the hair treatments. I have really long hair. My ponytail is all the way up here, so when I pull down my hair, I have long mane. So this is not going to be enough. I need like 3 of these packets so that my hair can get the full benefit of the treatment. I'm still going to try this out. This one has a lot of good fruit ingredients in it, so we'll see. It's a vegan formula. Then the next thing that I have inside this box is from Soe, and it's a sleep mask. I've tried this before. I received one of these in another Walmart box in the past, and I actually really like this sleep mask. It's the acai berry, and I really like it. This pack will give me at least a whole week's worth of masking at night, like sleep mask. So this is, I mean, this at Walmart is $2.50. I don't know. Then we have another foil packet set. This is from Village Naturals Therapy, and it's the Aches and Pain Muscle Relief. This is a bath oil bath wash, and then I also have the hand and body lotion, so 1 in 1. I've never tried their bath oils, but it says moisturizing bubbles. I guess I will definitely give it a try, and the lotion afterwards. I do love their bath salts from this brand, but yet again, small sample size. Should I be mad? I don't know. $5, we'll see. Anyway, you get a pamphlet for the Garnier Fructis. You get a pamphlet for Whole Blends Decadency. Oh, I didn't even know that came in here. So let me pull that out. They did send me yet another sample of the Whole Blends Garnier Delicacy. I actually like the way this smells, but I've tested this out in the past. I just wish they would give us like the little sample bottles instead of these packets. I can get one use out of the shampoo, but I'm left without a full amount of conditioner. So I'm so disappointed right now, but I mean, it's a Walmart box. What can I say? Then there is a little pamphlet for the Garnier face mask that we saw in the beginning, and then the last thing is some wipes from Kleenex, and this is a 8 count of wipes. This whole box is so disappointing. This is possibly $1. This is a sample size. No coupon to purchase it later. These are just foil packets. This is $2.50 at Walmart. Foil packet, foil packet, foil packet. Can I say foil packet one more time? Foil packet. This is not worth $5. This is not $5 worth of products. What is Walmart doing? I'm disappointed with this. You're paying for the shipping, but can you at least give me a full-size item that's not a wipe? You mean to tell me they couldn't send me one of these masks in the whole pot, or a whole pot of this, or even an oil? Like, you can't send one full-size product? I'm so over this box. It was just junk. So if you like this video of me ranting and raving about how awful this Walmart box was, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and leave in the comments what you think. Did you get this same ridiculousness? Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Become a member of my GonzFam, and as always, from my house to yours, love ya.